That's my reference. Let's see. Your neck. I put 45.
You good?
Yeah, make ready.
Okay.
Whenever you're set, just give me a nod, okay?
All right.
I'm wasting 4 right out there. I thought they said just way 5. They don't want you to go past 4 or 5. Are you?
Oh.
Are you ready? Stand by. Good job. If you are through, slide forward, hammer down, whatever you do. I don't know the commands.
Add time, please.
Oh, 3950. 2 alpha.
2 alpha.
2 alpha on the swinger.
2 alpha swinger.
Alpha, Bravo.
Got it.
2 Charlie.
2 Charlie.
Alpha, Charlie.
Charlie.
2 alpha on the right.
Alpha.
2 alpha on the left.
Alpha.
Alpha, Delta.
Alpha dog.
2 Charlie.
2 Charlie.
Alpha, Charlie.
Charlie.
Alpha, Charlie.
Alpha, Charlie.
Why are you trying to shoot a swinger in the middle? I'm just asking. I was like, Nathan did the same thing. I was like, man, it's a pistol target. Shoot it when it stops.
You ready? You done got him?
Yeah, we got
oh, okay. 2 Alpha Charlie 2. All right, cool. What was my time?
3950.
What was Nathan's?
5032.
Yeah, I videoed that too.